and we are updating my Miitopia play characters things, and we might be running this for NPCs or players. This is a mix for both, so I had to reset for some reason, so if you didn't watch part 1 you won't. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this real quick. Vampires here. This one just okay. Meow Meow Boys okay. I think they went into great actually. I think I put them in great. No wait. Meow Meow Boys. I want to make some updates on my team actually. So they go into great. They go into. He goes into great. He's better than these two. And then Popstar's okay. And then Thief. Popstar's good enough. And Thief is good enough. Well, I'll put them in okay actually. Because they both can, they're multi-hitters. So that's pretty good. Imps, okay. Imp's definitely the best, okay. One, be probably Cleric. Tank is good enough. Princess is okay. Escort is so good. Same with Tea Time, but that's like the only thing she got running. Oh. And Elf goes into God tier. Before I put her in okay, I put the class in okay, but then I saw I looked at the stats for oh my god, Elf is so OP. She got Dance and Arrow that she learns at level 9, which is a lot of MP. I think like 19, but it's like worth it. It does a pretty good amount of damage, and it makes them dance forever, even if you put them on the status. So yeah, and then she has the forest thing, which only costs 3 MP and protects any type of damage. Unlike Mage, where Protector, it protects only, I think, magic or attack, and it takes a lot more MP. So my nose is stuffy. And also, Elf learns it 2 levels before, so yeah. Actually, I think Cat's the best. Okay. So this is my list. Cats, if you're gonna run a cat one, make it cool. They can find pressure point and cat with pressure point. Pressure point, especially if you set up a shark claw, is so good. It's so good. Now I'm gonna reset this. And we will do this because we're doing the horse whisperers. Yep, so we'll do Giddy Up. We'll do Awesome. I don't know how to spell that. I'm so bad at spelling. Ashamed. There you go. Be good. Not worth.
Just let you know it's called rough trade. Do what you want.
Okay. Sorry about that. Not worth MP. Okay. Giddy up. I'll do Chef. Okay, Chef is super good. It's a great healing unit. Pretty good in damage. But not the best when it comes to the horse. Vampires, giddy up. The Gimp's good. Awesome. Imps awesome. Rockstar's actually giddy up. I think it's worse than the Rockstars. It's really good. It heals every person and makes them excited. Which excited does increase their. No, I don't do that anymore. Good. It's good. Tanks. I'll put tank. And Thief is actually really good. It's probably giddy up. No, it's awesome. It's awesome. Elf is awesome. Elf doesn't have that good of one, but it's still pretty good. Mage is giddy up. It's better than Vampire. It does a lot of damage in a lot of time, but I don't know if it's better than that. Cat goes to good. Princess's one's actually pretty good, so we'll put it in good. Probably better than cats and probably better than scientists. Put this around. Clerics is good. Giddy up. Not worth the MP. And awesome. Probably better than the elf and imp. Not better than the imp. Okay, that was my tier list of Miitopia jobs. I updated it just one. Okay, I updated it one more time. I just put elf on top in gray, and then I put I made a horse thing. So yeah, bye.